So now we're gonna make some fairy cakes. All you need is a tub of margarine, 2 medium eggs, flour and sugar. Get your mixture on, put the butter in, add the sugar, and blend.
You're going to be beating these until they go from yellow to white.
Like Tom. And then add 1 egg.
Dash your flour.
And blend.
Yeah, and adding the flour stops it from curdling.
And then another egg and a spoon of flour and
Plop of flour.
mix.
Yeah.
And then sift in the remaining flour. Magic.
Oh, look! What happened to that flour? Where did that
Make
go?
sure you get your metal spoon to fold the mix in.
Yeah, don't want to beat out any of that air. Let's put that out. Oh, right,
Make sure your workspace is clean.
Argued about keeping that seasoning.
Get the tray with your cupcakes holders. And then maybe a spoonful on each one. And it's baking time.
We're actually making these pretty quick, aren't we, these cakes? Crème Pâtisserie!
Yay.
Yeah, so now you'll need all the ingredients that I can't list out quick enough because it's gone off the screen. So pour the whole milk in the pan.
You can see it in the description box.
A bit of vanilla paste, a little double. Add that into the pan, get that kind of heating up. Then you're going to pop your eggs and sugar into a bowl. And the flours, so the plain flour and the corn flour. We've definitely not thought about the reflections in this video. And then you're going to whisk. It starts to turn a bit.
Whisk so your bowl cracks.
Sorry? Oh, I thought you said bowl then. Bowl. Till your bowl cracks. Then pour a bit in, and then pour a bit back. This just kind of helps get all the bits off the bottom. Put it all in the pan. And then you're going to return it to a low medium heat and just keep whisking. Whisk away.
Whisk, whisk,
Bit. Is it? But it does.
Oh my God.
Oh dear.
And it turns thick, that's what I wanted to say.
Ta-ta.
Ooh, it's me again. And then just cut like a, how would you call this one?
That's little top hats, aren't they?
Yeah. Make them like look like fairies. And then put your piping back in.
Fairies with top hats on.
Yeah, the top hats on. See, look at that. They got their hats on.
Quick with the
And
hats.
then fairy dusts. Voila! Fairy cakes.
Right, I'll go and tidy up all this ice and sugar that you've sprinkled everywhere then.